When you come and visit ecosystems and see all the exhibits, you're only seeing a very small part of the entire operation that goes into making this what it is. There are literally hundreds of people involved. There's thousands and thousands of dollars of machinery involved, all kinds of animals, and it all goes into creating the experience. In each of the environments, there's a portion that's real and a portion that's manufactured. For example, in the kelp forest, all of the rock work, all of the interior of the tank is all artificial, but meant to look like a real environment. The saguaros that are here in the desert are artificial because they're endangered, so we had artisans come in and sculpt and artistically create the look that we wanted. The whole process by which these artists create these artificial plants is fairly complex. They'll take molds, they'll cover the bark of a tree so they can cast that back in their studio. In the case of something like one of our yuccas, they will take the real leaves of these plants and cast them out of latex so that they can create this full experience of what a yucca plant looks like. The animals in the exhibits are relating to these artificial elements more or less as if they were real. The tortoises don't recognize any real difference there, except in the case of trying to burrow. Obviously, if they try to burrow too far down into the sand, they run into solid concrete, so they'll stop. One of the experiences here in the desert that we're trying to give people is that notion of a flash flood. You can see the environment behind me has gotten darker, and you can hear the flood starting. Flash flood is run by a series of pumps and all kinds of machinery that actually spans 3 floors of the building. So when you see the exhibits here, you're only seeing really a very small part of everything that goes into making this exhibit at the California Science Center what it is.